Hey, good morning everyone. Welcome to Marathon Mondays with Mal. I'm watching myself on my phone. It is going to be a nice day at the mothership. Down here, here's 1433, also known as 14 Larry Bird. Guys, there's so much going on the production floor. I've been gone for the last week and it's good to get back, see everything that's going on. We're gonna check in on a couple of coaches and we have a delivery today, delivery of 1425, and I wanna show you what the customer decided to put in Bay 1 and Bay 2 on the curbside of 1425. Big shout out to all of you, hope your weekend's going good. Talked to my sister up in Vancouver, Washington this morning. I know she's watching, so good morning to her and her family. Lots going on. Let's walk the production floor. I haven't been on the floor for, what is it, Shane? 2-3 weeks? So let's get into it. All right, 1432, you guys, come on in. This is a coach that we've kind of followed through its production, and right now, this is kind of the exciting time, especially for the owners who have owned several coaches. They're very involved in the Marathon Owners Club, which is also a great thing to experience if you are a marathon owner, or if you're thinking about being a marathon owner, you really get to see what it's like to be around other marathon owners. And so 1432, this is a double slide, very custom coach, and they're very experienced at owning a coach, so they know what they like, know what they don't like. And it's exciting because walls are starting to go in now. And here I am in the shower. You can tell this is the shower walls because it says so. Take a look at this right here. I don't want to go too in depth because this is something we've talked about a lot, but just this package right here, we need to know that it's going to be there for years, and look at the quality of the install. This takes quality time. Quality install means quality people doing a quality effort on, that's a lot of quality, on the install. And that's what's really important about the wire pull portion. I call it wire pull, but the wire installation portion of the production floor, of the production run of each coach. But look at all of the wiring that is in this area of the coach. This is where the TV is going to be. The longevity of the product, the success of the product, and the enjoyment of it is all based on the groundwork that happens in engineering and then applied down here on the production floor. 1430's curbside salon dinette table. This is what it looks like as it's about to be installed. And this is one of the pieces that I really like to highlight when we do videos, and more importantly, no offense to our videos that we do, as we're doing one right now, but I love to show this when we do our tours here at the mothership. We do daily tours, usually at 11:30, but if 11:30 doesn't work for some people, we accommodate. I love showing this piece because this is a custom-made dinette, and there's so much that goes into it. Several different woods and a lot of hand-built skill goes into this piece. And then it's laminated, and I love this laminate, probably because it's so light. And I like it when a floor plan is light. It really brightens up the coach. Drawer, drawer, drawer. This is the extending dinette for 1433, so this is going to come out an additional 13-14 inches right here, and it's actually backwards. This portion would be that way, and then of course this is where the cushion is, and you lift it up with these hinges right here, and you've got storage behind. Another thing that we do quite well is we do an outlet, a power outlet here, and it's got a cord minder here. So on the top deck, you can actually run a cord through here, plug it in over here, and have power. And you could either have an appliance down in here, or you could just plug something in here and run the cord here and over to a laptop or something. Anyway, I'm going a little bit long. Obviously, I like the intimate pieces of a build, and this is one of those that I always love seeing because a lot of skill and time and effort goes into this piece. And it's important. We talk about the longevity of the product, the quality of that piece, everything comes together to mean it's going to be on the floor, on the road for years, decades. All right, here we are, 14. Oh, I see a sofa. Let's check it out. What do we got here, Shane? Oh, that's pretty. It's got a little bit of a sheen to it. That's nice. This is that 2-cushion, no reveal backs. You guys know that the reveal backs are something that you can also put on these so that you can add a little bit of color, a little bit of fabric to it. I'm not a fan of reveal backs. Going back to my honesty policy, I don't like reveal backs for the most part. I like it all leather, but to each his own. We do both reveal backs and we do all leather sofas. And even though it has reveal backs, it's still an all leather sofa. You could take those reveal backs off to reveal all leather. Okay, I don't know if you can see it, but I want to highlight the sparkle of this paint job. Can you see that on camera, Shane? This is something that unless you get right up on it and outside, it really sparkles. And the new owners really didn't see that initially, and then when they saw it outside, they just loved it. I love it too. It's very subtle, but it's there, and when you catch it in the sun, it's beautiful. All right. Now, we've already done a tour of 1425. So we're not going to do a full tour because you can go back on YouTube, I would hope that you do, and check out 1425's walkthrough that Shane and I did. Triple slide. But I wanted to show you this because this is not something that was on the coach when we did the video at first, but it is here now. 1425's bay setup per the customer's wishes, and this is fantastic. It's important to have, hey, these are new remotes. Very cool. Vern, I like the new remotes. A little bit of chrome on there. There you go, right there. Lots of storage. So important. The H3 provides a ton of storage. That's the way it's designed. With these bays, they're just huge. And yes, we put a lot of infrastructure in there. A lot of wiring, a lot of what have you. But here in Bay 2 on the curbside, you've got that big rollout. Plus, let's not forget, you've got the big 55-inch TV that comes out and swivels over. Sound bar below with great sound, and your iPad up here. What's up, Jeff?
Good morning, Cam.
Morning. That's such a great design. I don't think I've said that enough on the show. You guys, remember when Marathon used to have a full TV over here and it would take up this whole thing and it would either come out here and pivot and swivel? Okay, if you've got to have entertainment in your bay, on your curbside, on your patio side, I get it, but look at this. It takes up 10 inches width of your bay. It's behind cabinetry, so when it's, look at, that's just a beautiful install. And then when you need it, it comes out, it's over, it's just so easy. It's just a really good design that isn't evasive to your bay storage situation. The engineering team really put some thought into improving the bay entertainment situation by coming up with that. Love it. Tell you what, I better put that up there. Otherwise, I'd walk away with that remote. All right. Now, in Bay 1, per the customer's request, storage with a barbecue. Look at that. With the bat wings on each side, adds additional storage. This is countersunk, so it can be lifted up and taken off whether it be for cleaning or over to a picnic table, or quite frankly, from coach to coach. When they decide to upgrade, they could take their barbecue with them. Most people leave it with them and do a new barbecue, but it's a great system. And then you've got all that storage behind. And then I think we're putting a Norcold refrigerator freezer in there. Marathon chairs, 2x2, and the Marathon welcome mat. Don't want to overlook that. And really good storage below. Of course, lined with that engineered leather. Beautiful. Oh, well. Let's not screw that up. Really beautiful design. Okay, you've already seen the inside of 1425. We're gonna walk into the coach and then we'll finish the show from there. But I want you to see inside the coach one more time. One of my favorite things is as you walk in, look at that. How beautiful is that? This is one to remember, 1425, you guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I know it was kind of a scatterbrained show, but so many ideas come to mind when I walk the floor in the morning. And I see so many things that impact why an owner should choose Marathon, why an investor should choose Marathon. And this is a good example. This show, we saw several things of quality. We saw several things of longevity and of beauty and enjoyment. This is going to be great. 1425, congratulations to the new owners who are taking delivery starting today of their new coach. Be yourself and do good things. Take care of each other. It's going to be a long August. We got so much going on. I'm loving it, you guys. Take care.